Hello and welcome to Seeker Odyssey. Today we'll talk about Capri, the jewel of Italy's Bay of Naples, and what you must see and do in one day. From the mesmerizing Blue Grotto to the breathtaking views from the Gardens of Augustus, get ready for an adventure filled with hidden gems, delicious local cuisine, and unforgettable moments. But that's not all. There's a surprise awaiting at the end that you won't want to miss. Let's dive into the ultimate day trip guide to Capri, where every moment is a postcard-worthy memory. When you arrive in Capri, you are going to arrive at the Marina Grande. The harbor of Marina Grande is your first taste of Capri. Colorful houses cling to the hillside, fishing boats bob gently in the water. From here you get ferries for island hopping and the Blue Grotto. In my opinion, you need to see this island from the water. It has magnificent cliffs you have never seen, colorful houses and stunning beaches. It is epic. Sun-kissed shores and azure waters, a dip in paradise. No trip to Capri is complete without a visit to its most famous beach, Bagni di Tiberio. Located near the ruins of Emperor Tiberius's villa, this secluded cove offers crystal-clear waters perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Afterward, bask in the sun on the smooth pebbles, just as Roman emperors once did. Ascending to heavenly heights, Anacapri's charm. Hop on a local bus and wind your way up to Anacapri, Capri's charming hilltop town. Here, life moves at a slower pace. Wander through narrow streets lined with artisan shops, admire the colorful ceramics, and soak in the breathtaking views from the Belvedere. Gardens of Augustus, a floral tapestry. A visit to the Gardens of Augustus is a feast for the senses. Stroll through meticulously manicured gardens bursting with vibrant flowers, cascading bougainvillea, and the intoxicating scent of citrus blossoms. Don't miss the breathtaking views of the Faraglione rock formations, a sight that will leave you speechless. The enchanting path to Villa Jovis. For a taste of history and adventure, hike the scenic path to Villa Jovis, one of Emperor Tiberius's 12 villas on the island. Perched atop a cliff, the villa offers panoramic views of the Bay of Naples and the Sorrentine Peninsula. Imagine the emperor himself, gazing out at this very view centuries ago. All that exploring is bound to work up an appetite. Capri's culinary scene is as diverse as its landscape, from Michelin-starred restaurants to family-run trattorias. Indulge in fresh seafood, savor handmade pasta with fragrant pesto, and don't forget to try the island's famous limoncello, a sweet and tangy lemon liqueur. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the island, Capri takes on a magical atmosphere. Enjoy an aperitivo in the Piazzetta, the heart of Capri town, as you watch the world go by. Later, choose from a variety of bars and clubs, each offering its own unique ambiance. Whether you prefer the vibrant energy of Capri town or the tranquility of Anacapri, you'll find a range of accommodations to suit your style and budget. Choose from luxurious hotels with stunning views, charming guest houses tucked away in quiet corners, or budget-friendly options for the savvy traveler. Use the link in the description to find the cheapest deals and save your money for other stuff. Navigating Capri is an adventure in itself, filled with unique experiences and picturesque views at every turn. While you can rent a car, it's not recommended as the roads are narrow and winding, making driving quite challenging and stressful for those unfamiliar with the terrain. Instead, embrace the island's charm and opt for public transportation, which is both efficient and a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture. From Marina Grande, the funicular effortlessly whisks you up to Capri town in minutes, offering a quick and convenient way to ascend the steep hills. It's a scenic ride with stunning views of the harbor below, making the journey as enjoyable as the destination. These nimble minibuses are the lifeblood of Capri, connecting all the major towns and attractions seamlessly, ensuring you can explore the island with ease. Just be prepared for a bit of a squeeze during peak season, as these minibuses can get quite crowded with both locals and tourists. Open-top taxis are readily available, offering a more private and luxurious way to explore the island, perfect for those who prefer a bit more comfort. Be sure to agree on a price before hopping in, as taxi fares can vary, and it's always best to avoid any surprises. For the adventurous, Capri is best explored on foot. Walking allows you to take in the island's natural beauty at your own pace. Lace up your walking shoes and discover hidden gems, scenic trails, and breathtaking vistas that you might miss when using other forms of transportation. Every path and trail has its own story to tell, and the views are simply unforgettable. Capri is a shopper's paradise, offering a mix of high-end boutiques and local artisan shops. Whether you're looking for luxury fashion or unique handmade items, Capri has something for everyone. Here are a few souvenirs to tempt you. Perfect mementos to remember your trip by. These iconic Capri sandals, handcrafted from soft leather, are a must-have for any fashionista. They are not just shoes, but a piece of the island's rich tradition and style. Choose from classic styles or opt for a pair adorned with colorful beads or charms. Each pair tells a story of Capri's vibrant culture and artistic flair. Bring home a taste of Capri with a bottle of limoncello, the island's signature liqueur. This zesty drink is a delightful reminder of Capri's sunny landscapes. Made from locally grown lemons, it's the perfect way to relive your Capri adventure. Enjoy it as a digestif or share it with friends to spread the joy of Capri. Capri is renowned for its colorful ceramics, from hand-painted plates and bowls to whimsical figurines. These pieces are crafted with love and reflect the island's artistic heritage. Find a unique piece to add a touch of Capri charm to your home. Whether it's a decorative plate or a playful figurine, these ceramics are sure to brighten any space and serve as a beautiful reminder of your time in Capri. When to visit Capri, embracing the seasons. Capri is a year-round destination, each season offering its own unique charm. Spring, witness the island come alive with wildflowers, balmy weather, and fewer crowds. Summer, bask in the sunshine, swim in the crystal-clear waters, and enjoy the island's vibrant nightlife. Autumn, savor the tranquility of Capri after the summer crowds have departed, with mild weather and stunning sunsets. Winter, experience a different side of Capri with a peaceful ambiance, cozy cafes, and festive decorations during the holidays. Exploring Capri's hidden coves, a boat trip to remember. Imagine gliding over the crystal-clear waters, the gentle breeze caressing your face as you set off on an adventure like no other. No trip to Capri is complete without experiencing its beauty from the water. The island's rugged coastline, dotted with hidden coves and secret beaches, offers a perspective that is both breathtaking and unique. Hop aboard a traditional wooden gazzo boat, a vessel steeped in history and charm, and embark on an unforgettable journey around the island's coastline. Feel the gentle sway of the boat as you navigate through the azure waters. Grotta Azzurra, or the Blue Grotto. Prepare to be mesmerized by this natural wonder, where sunlight filters through an underwater cavity, illuminating the grotto in an ethereal blue light. The play of light and water creates a magical atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly. Faraglione rocks, marvel at these towering rock formations, a symbol of Capri rising dramatically from the turquoise waters. Each rock has its own name and story, adding to the mystique and allure of this iconic landmark. Legend has it that these rocks were once hurled by an angry cyclops. This myth adds a layer of intrigue and wonder to the already stunning natural scenery. Natural Arch, sail through this impressive natural archway, carved into the cliffs by centuries of wind and waves. The arch stands as a testament to the relentless forces of nature and the passage of time. It's a photographer's dream and a testament to nature's artistry. Capture the perfect shot as the sunlight dances on the water, highlighting the intricate details of this natural masterpiece. Hiking trails of Capri, embracing the great outdoors. For nature enthusiasts, Capri offers a network of hiking trails that wind through its diverse landscape, from coastal paths to mountaintop vistas. Piazzalungo Path. This scenic trail takes you along the island's southern coast, offering breathtaking views of the Faraglione Rocks, the Bay of Naples, and the Sorrentine Peninsula. Monte Solaro Chairlift. For an effortless ascent to Capri's highest point, hop on the chairlift. From the summit, enjoy panoramic views of the island and the surrounding sea. Path of the Forts. This historical trail connects the ruins of ancient forts, offering a glimpse into Capri's strategic past. Capri's literary legacy, inspiration for the ages. Capri has long been a muse for artists, writers, and intellectuals, its beauty inspiring countless masterpieces. Axel Munthe, Swedish physician and writer Axel Munthe, fell in love with Capri and built his dream home, Villa San Michele, on the island. His memoir, The Story of San Michele, captures the spirit of Capri and is a must-read for any visitor. Chilean poet Pablo Neruda found solace and inspiration on Capri, writing a collection of poems dedicated to the island. Irish playwright Oscar Wilde spent time in exile on Capri, finding refuge in its beauty.